Hi everyone, today we're going to create a no-code Discord bot to set up XP reward system for message sent in your Discord server. We will be using BotDisco for this tutorial. BotDisco is a no-code Discord bot builder. It uses triggers and actions, so your bot can be highly customizable for your community. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a bot that sets up an XP reward system for messages sent by your users in your Discord server as shown on the screen. Now let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the member field. To store the message count data, we'll need to set up member fields. To that, let's go to the BotDisco dashboard and click on the member fields tab on the left. Now add 3 member fields as shown on the screen. Add a member field of number type named XP to store the XP point of the user. Add a member field of a number type name level to store the level of the user. Add a member field of number type named message count to store the number of messages sent by the user. Step 2. Create a trigger for send message in BotDisco. To do this, let's go to the bot builder tab and click new flow and select new channel message and select the channel you want to create the trigger for any message sent by the users. Step 3. Update the message count of the user. For every message sent by a user, we need to increase the message count of the user by 1. Now to update the message count of the user, click on Add Action and select Set Member Field as a trigger. Now in the Field tab, select the message count field that we set up before and increase the number by 1 as shown on the screen. Step 4. Check and reward XP to the users. Now to check the reward the XP to the user, we need to create an action that checks the message count of the user and rewards it on completion of certain levels. For that, we will create a type-based system for the number of messages sent by the user. We are using the criteria as shown on the screen. You can customize the criteria in your own way. To reward users based on the message, and click on Add Action and select Filter. Now, set the condition to only continue if the message count is greater than or equal to 10. Then click Add Action and click Set Member Field and set the level to 1. Repeat the step to set the XP member field to 10. Now repeat the step again to set the condition if the message count is greater than or equal to 20. Then set the value of level to 2 and set the value of XP to 30. Repeat the step again to check if message count is greater than or equal to 40. If yes, then set the value of level to 3 and XP to 70. Create a custom command for the user to check this XP and level. To do this, click New Flow and select Custom/Command and name it XP. Click on Add Action and select Reply to /command. Type in the message content and select the user's XP and level as shown on the screen. Activate the flow by turning on the toggle switch at the top right of the screen. Now let's test the command on your Discord server.